What if you could live in a place so important that it literally helped build the face of London, yet so hidden that most people drive right past its greatest secrets? Imagine a village where a 14th century moated castle was deliberately left as a romantic ruin when its 19th century owners built a new mansion beside it, sitting in a valley of mist in the landscapes once walked by Jane Austen during her time in Kent. This isn't a film set, this is Lamberhurst. If you're planning your move but refuse to settle for a generic commuter town, you need to see this. To understand Lamberhurst, you have to look at the iron. While it feels like a quiet slice of heaven today, this was once a key part of England's powerful Wealden iron industry. Lamberhurst is best known for the Gloucester furnace. In the early 18th century, the ironworkers here cast the massive iron railings for St. Paul's Cathedral in London. That's the legacy here. This village didn't just watch history happen, it supplied the iron that protected one of the capital's most iconic landmarks. When you buy a home here, you are becoming part of a story that stretches from the Roman era to the very heart of the City of London. Lamberhurst doesn't just have curb appeal, it has a soul. The vibe here is active rural. It's perfect for the family that wants the fresh air of the Weald, but doesn't want to feel isolated. You have the Lamberhurst Music Festival, which attracts performers who also play at major venues like the Royal Albert Hall, performing in the intimate acoustics of St. Mary's Church. The social life revolves around high-quality hospitality. You have the Vineyard, a stunning country pub overlooking working vineyards. While often described as 17th century, historical records suggest parts of it may date back to the 18th century. Originally 3 thatched cottages. It feels like a slice of Tuscany tucked away in Kent. Then there's the Chequers, a historic coaching inn dating back to the 14th century, with some suggestions its origins may stretch as far back as the 12th century. Imagine having a Sunday roast in a building that was already centuries old by Tudor times. For the outdoorsy, you are minutes away from Buell Water for sailing and fishing, and Bedgebury National Pinetum, home to one of the most complete collections of conifers in the world, and some of the best cycling trails in the southeast. It's a lifestyle where your weekends feel like a luxury holiday. Now, let's be honest, Lamberhurst is a quiet village because it doesn't have its own train station. For some, that's a deal breaker, but for others, it's a blessing. It keeps the village from becoming a crowded dormitory. Your commute involves a 10 to 15 minute drive to either Tunbridge Wells or Wadhurst. From Tunbridge Wells, trains typically run every 30 minutes, getting you into London Bridge or Charing Cross in around 45 to 55 minutes. From Wadhurst, the service is usually hourly and takes around 55 to 65 minutes. If you work in the city 2 to 3 days a week, that drive through the Kent countryside to the station is a small price to pay for the silence you get when you come home. It's a car-dependent village, but the road links via the A21 are excellent, putting the M25 and the coast within easy reach. So what does your money actually buy here? Lamberhurst is currently a smart move. While many areas have stayed high, this market has adjusted from its recent peak, making it more accessible. Local house prices vary by postcode, type and sale date. A 3-bed family home comparison makes the value clear. If you look at Wadhurst, named the Sunday Times Best Place to Live in the UK in 2023, you will find it typically commands around a 20% premium for a similar home. In Goudhurst, homes are often priced around 5 to 10% higher. In Tunbridge Wells, for a comparable 3-bed with a decent garden, you are looking at a market that typically commands around a 10 to 15% premium over Lamberhurst prices. Unlike Wadhurst, you get more garden for your money here, and unlike Tunbridge Wells, you get a genuine village community. For families, St Mary's Primary is the village heart. It's highly rated by Ofsted, with inspectors praising its warm, inclusive environment and robust community spirit. The school consistently sees a significant majority of pupils meeting or exceeding national standards in recent published results. Parental satisfaction remains remarkably high. Lamberhurst sits within the sought-after catchment for elite grammar schools in Tunbridge Wells and Tunbridge, though it remains just outside the immediate priority area for Cranbrook School. Lamberhurst is for the person who wants a home with a story. It's for the family that wants to trade the noise for the sound of the River Tyne. It's honest, it's slightly more affordable than its famous neighbours, and it's arguably as beautiful. When you move, don't just look for a house. Find the village or town that makes the change feel like the best decision you've ever made. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. Help me create more videos like this by hitting subscribe.